Ever wanted an object to follow a custom path and bend with it in Blender? Let me show you two simple ways to do it. First, add a curve and edit it to match the path you want. Next, add the object that you want to follow the path. For smoother bending, go into Edit mode and subdivide the object or add Subdivision Modifier, so it has more vertices. More geometry means the object can bend more naturally along the curve. Now check the object origin. Ideally, keep it at the center or wherever you want the object to align with the curve. Also make sure the object is placed at the curve's origin. If it isn't, the object will move along the path with the same offset distance. Now select the object and go to the Modifiers tab. Add a Curve Modifier and choose your curve as the target. Next, select the Deform axis. For example, if your object is oriented along the X direction, select X-axis. Now when you move the object along that axis, it will follow and bend along the curve. If you don't want the object to bend, here's another approach. Add an empty object, then parent your object to the empty. Select the empty and go to the Constraints tab, then add a Follow Path constraint. Choose your curve as the target. If the orientation looks wrong, try different forward and up axes until the position looks correct. Enable Follow Curve so the object rotates naturally along the path. Now use the offset value to move the object along the path. This value can also be animated, which is perfect for motion graphics. If something looks off, the first thing is to make sure your object is positioned at the curve origin before applying modifiers or constraints. That small detail fixes most problems. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more Blender tips.